Tanggalin mo naman.
Ayaw niya, Jem. May gusto nang mag-guide sa'yo bago ko.
Uy, nakakatuwa naman ang mukha. Dito, oh. Dito.
What's in my belly?
What's mommy's belly?
Baby sister!
No, it's a baby brother.
Hindi na ako si baby sister! I want baby sister! Are you sad? Yeah, because I miss baby sister!
It's okay. We will make a new one na lang. We will make a new one. Hey, do you love me?
Kunti na lang.
Konti na lang?
Yes.
It's a baby brother.
Wow!
Ay,
Do you think it's a baby brother?
I like it.
Really?
I like the baby.
What do you think it is?
The baby brother.
Really?
are you gonna play?
Thank you, Toto Heart!
Another step. Another step. Another step. Another step. Another step, last step. Okay. Step, forward ka ng konti. Tanggalin mo naman.
Ayaw niya, Jem. May gusto nang mag-guide sa'yo bago ko.
Nakakatuwa naman. Kasi nasa sentro yun. Ano bang pangalan niyan?
Happy.
Ano ba ito?
Happy.
Tararara. Masaya. Gusto mo masaya? Gusto mo masaya? Ano na kao ka lola, no? Ha? Uy, nakakatuwa naman ang mukha. Nakakatuwa naman ang mukha nito. Malaki ba? Laki na tiyan ng katawan nito. Ay, malaki nga. Matangkad nga ito. Matangkad pala.
Ayun yung pang suman niya. Ay, naku, iiyak na yan.
Ate mo na.
Pang lumpia na to, pang lumpia.
Teka, ayusin natin ha. Ayusin natin. Alam mo. Dito. Ayusin. Ayusin natin yung tiyado. Anak ko!
Hoy!
Aba?
Hoy!
Dito, 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 dito. Dito, dito. Oh. Dito, dito. Ako na. Makasama yung ano ang pambalot na yung pin. Ano nga.
Sumber na kayo.
Lagay mo yan.
Ano po?
Asan na si Papi?
Ano po, pahinga, inano ko lang.
Sa bahay na.
Baka sa mami niya. Inano ko lang siya saglit para makita niya muna, mag-hi lang.
Oo naman, oo naman. Balikan sa mama mo ha. See you next time.
Sige po.
Ingat kayo sa pag-drive ha. Ito may kamay. Yan talaga, pilipit konti.
Ito na. Ilulumpia na kita.
Hindi pa. Eh di susunod nyo kambal.
Hindi na. Hindi mo na.
Di ba sabi ni ano?
Ay, oo na. Oo, ano mo lang ako.
Nakita niya na yung mukha ni Harvey nga eh.
Oo, Harvey.
Pero nakasuso kasi.
Kailangan. Malaki yan ni Papi, nagbibigay na ng gatas. Malaki niya yung kapon, wala. Sagod sabihin lumalaki. Kailangan niya magpadudo ng padudo.
Oo, para ano, marami masustansya sa bata.
Hindi na. Sige na, Mami Gemma. Ingat
Oo,
po,
okay
love
lang.
you. Happy!
What? What's in my belly?
What's mommy's belly?
Baby sister!
No, it's a baby brother.
Oh no!
Hindi na ako si baby sister! I think it's a baby brother.
It's a baby brother.
No, I think my baby brother's going out because and the baby sister in your mommy's tummy.
It's a baby.
Brother. No, the baby sister yun!
It's a baby brother.
Baby sister yun!
You have two baby brother na.
My tummy comes out. It's a baby brother. What was my baby sister? I really want my baby sister. But it's not a sister, it's a brother. I really want baby sister.
It's a baby brother, Hop.
Hindi no! Ate! Hindi no!
You have two baby brother na.
Ate no! You have two brothers.
You talk to us.
You have two brothers. Hindi no! One brother na lang. One brother na lang. Anak, you have two baby brothers now. Two baby There's no baby sister eh. Out of stock. I want
Out of
the
stock.
baby sister. Asa na si baby sister? Asa na? There's no baby sister, only baby
But-
brother. I want her.
But you have two baby brother na.
Hindi no, I want her to be my baby sister. I love her. She's a girl.
No, he's a boy.
Hindi no, I miss my baby sister.
It's a baby brother.
But I miss my baby sister.
You don't have a baby sister.
I really want baby sister na lang.
You have two baby brother.
Baby sister ako.
Okay lang.
Sister na lang. Why are you crying? I want baby sister. Are you sad? Yeah, because I miss baby sister.
It's okay. We will make a new one na lang. We will make a new one.
Do you want mom and dad to just make a new one?
Baby sister naman.
Why only like mommy's tummy will be small? You only like mommy's tummy to be small lang para you can hug me? Yes. And we can hug together in the bed. We can sleep together. But are you sad? Yes, I want baby sister. I know, anak, but I'm so sorry. But it came out to be a baby brother. It's not my fault. I think I want baby sister. Okay. I think we need to pray to Papa Jesus. Okay? So I think Papa Jesus will grant your wish. You wish to Papa Jesus and then you pray for him. Say, Papa Jesus, I really, really want a baby sister. Did you pray last night before you sleep? Hindi again. Oh, diba? You see, it's because you're not praying enough. Diba I told you before we sleep, we always pray. You forgot to pray. That's why there's no baby sister. There's only baby brother. I only want baby sister because I miss her. But you didn't pray enough to Papa Jesus. That's why the baby came out to be a boy. But Daddy said it's mine, but it's mine na lang. It's for me. What, you want it to be a girl? Because I miss her. Okay.
But it's a boy.
It's fine. I need you to calm down. I know you're sad. Where's my baby sister? I really want Daddy na lang because they're fixing Daddy na lang. But Daddy is not fixing the car. The car is not fixed yet. They're still fixing it. But I want to go. I need you to calm down, okay? Miss baby sister.
It's a baby brother.
Later, you will go here, okay? Visit me. But, Mommy. Yeah. And Dad.
Yes.
You have to. They're gonna fix the car after you hatted me. Yeah. You can hatted me here, guys. We're gonna sundo you there and hatid you here. Because I sleep here alone with Ate. I know. Love you. Bring your coach here.
I love you more, Hop.
You didn't bring your clothes. It's okay. You're gonna bring your clothes back here in the house na lang, okay? Okay. I want you to follow Ate. Don't be kulit, okay? So later you will come here. You understand? Look, the TV's gonna back. When I go that
I love you more, Hop.
You'll go ask Mama later, ha? After Mama's done working, you ask her, Mama, can I visit Mommy po? And her new baby, and my Dodong, and Dondi? stay here na long. You stay there na lang? No. You ask Mama if we can visit me. But I want to stay here na long. Stay here. Stay dyan. Stay ka na lang dyan? Yeah, but I really want to come here. I want to come there with you. You ask Mama. I think Mama will let you come here. But I want you. I want you to let me to stay here. I'm gonna call you again later, ha? When the car is fixed na, Daddy will come there.
Love you more, Hap.
Ulit diaper na lang. Okay po.
I love you, Hap. Love you.
I have
Hey.
many diapers here because only on my house.
Hey, do you love me?
Kunti na lang.
Konti na lang?
Yes, no, my diaper.
Ah.
Okay, Ate P, Daddy and Mommy needs to go now because we're gonna fix the car, okay? But you have those outside and the right there in your house. Okay. You have to fix the car with someone. Yeah, okay. Daddy will fix the car with. Don't hurt your fingers. Yeah, okay.
Love you more.
Love you again. Okay now. You have to be carefully.
Okay, I love you more.
You see?
Hey, I love you more.
Guys, this is
You don't love me?
Oh, that's hurt. That's why we're gonna put ointment later. Anak, Daddy's saying something. Yes?
Love you more. You're my...
Anak. Mommy, look. Oh, so big tummy. Okay, we're gonna call you again later, anak, okay? I love you. Ulit.
Love you, bye-bye.
Kiss Dad and Mom.
Kiss me.
You have to come back after you hurted me.
Okay, you kiss us. You kiss us.
Mary, not to go away.
Okay, you kiss. Love you more. Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later. You patay the phone.
Patay the call na.
You patay the call. Bye-bye. Love you more. Sige na.
Ayan na. I miss my baby. Where's my baby?
We will go to
Mommy.
Mommy Cat, okay? Okay, okay po. Kami, let's go to Mommy Cat.
You can buy a new one for
What?
my playroom.
Wait, dito mo tayo. Mom, yun nak first. Wait lang ha, wait lang. You wait for me. Ako muna ha. Ako muna. Oh, you wait me there. Dad muna.
Okay.
Okay? Okay? O kami, tawag ka ni Mom.
Hi, baby. I missed you. Here's your baby brother.
Hoy!
Here, come here. It's a baby brother.
Ay,
Do you think it's a baby brother?
I like it.
Really?
I like the baby.
What do you think it is?
The baby brother.
Really?
Yeah.
No. What color is it?
It's on pink and white.
So it's a...
Brother.
Huh? No, it's a baby sister.
It's a sister, ha?
Sister! I'm just kidding you.
You go with the to the one. Don't go. I have to. Dodong. This is no baby sister.
Yeah, you only have one Dodong and one baby sister.
You want me to get Dodong?
Yes, and because you don't like to sound to her because she's sleeping.
Okay.
Are you happy?
Yeah, and she likes to sleep in her own bed, and I love her.
Ay, abo. You hug? Hug lang.
Like it.
You wanna get the baby?
Yeah, I like it.
You want to buhat?
You wanna buhat?
So pretty.
So pretty. Now you have
I
a
love
baby
her.
sister. You love her?
Yes.
Where did the baby come out, anak? They come out from the...
Vagina.
From the vagina. Yes.
You wanna carry your baby? Oh, you sit lang there, you sit lang there.
Sit ka lang, sit ka
And I
lang.
love her.
I'll let you carry the baby.
And I
You go like this, ha?
Okay.
Okay, wait lang. Mommy will put this in you para hindi ka mahirapan. Okay?
Thank you. Mommy will come. The baby will come here to me because I like her.
Aba.
Ah, wait lang.
Oh,
Come here.
Baby,
Hands mo. Wait lang.
Hands mo.
Turuan mo siya, Dad.
Papurit ni... Sige,
You go like this.
Yes.
Wait lang, okay?
You carry the baby.
Ay. Hey, don't kiss. I'm your Ate P. And you're my...
Look,
You're my baby sister.
That is your...
baby sister. And I love her.
You love her. Are you happy that it's a baby sister?
Yes,
You thought it's a baby brother, no?
because
I'm just kidding you.
but baby Rod is downstairs and see him playing. Oh, yeah, she's blushing.
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Like this.
You're gonna let her borrow your baby clothes?
Yeah,
Your dresses?
yeah. But you have a new clothes right there.
Oh, yeah. You saw it?
Are you
Are you
happy?
happy? Are you gonna take care of the baby? Are you gonna help mommy out? Or
Yeah, I have a Thai food for. Just pretending to eat food.
pretending to eat food
Are you
lang?
gonna play?
Everything's like this, and moving is like this.
It's moving your feet, yeah?
What happened? Have you more?
Oh, she's moving. What's happening?
I go to Jordan and she like baby sister.
Do you have a message for your baby sister? Say it in the camera.
Yes, I love her.
You love her?
Why? Baby sister's nipple crying. I like this.
You like that when she cried? You gonna help mommy out?
Yes,
Okay.
I love her. Okay.
She's waking up na.
Because I'm here. I love her.
You're gonna be aate na.
I'm gonna. I want to sing Tinka because she's so weeping.
Oh, you sing.
She's smiling this.
Oh, you sing.
Smiling.
No more.
So fun. Having your
Please.
the star. How I wonder what you are. Birds. Mom, why your hair is like that? Like on your hair like another mom. Good, like, it's,
What are we gonna do?
something like this.
Like that lang.
That's great.
You love the baby? That's nice. I'll put her on the bed. Can I?
Abot ka na sa bed ni ma'am. You don't want?
I like it.
Share mo. Oh, don't get it, ma'am.
Mommy, it's just, that's okay. Just kidding. It's just a new baby. It's cute.
Abo.
Cute.
Cute. So
Cute. So cute. I love her. This is my baby sister. I hear she sounds. Like this.
Look, she's smiling.
Mommy, look, she's like this. She's doing like that sound. And I love her.
Donkey. Kunin ka si Donkey. Gusto mo? Huwag na, makulit yun.
Later muna. Baby sister's sleeping.
She
Too cute. Too cute. Too cute.
Hello. It's smiling.
Magigigil yung kasi niya ikis niya.
You're funny.
So fun.
Okay, I think it's time for the baby to sleep na. Okay. What about you have spitting fire?
Oh yeah, later. Okay?
Like this. Like this.
So fun.
Just like this. So it's a hamburger.
It's a hamburger.
Yes, I like to eat. Because I don't like junk food, only healthy snacks.
Okay.
But I didn't choose my healthy snacks.
Who chose your healthy snacks?
Si Daddy.
Si Daddy?
Yeah.
What did he pick?
I don't know.
I didn't know.
Rudy, the brother.
And then?
Big sister. Brother. I love them.
Ang galing.
And I let her to borrow my toys, not fighting. Except for yours.
Hey, Donkey! Opo. Opo, sumusumbra ka na. Gusto mo na makita yung kapatid mo? Gusto mo na? Kunin ko na si Donkey, si Kidong, para makita nito ni Dodong. Hey na, Donkey. Hihingin ako sa'yo. Ipakita na namin sa'yo kapatid mo kahit wala ka pang alam sa mundo.
Baby? Ayan na. Ayan na. Oh, baby? Baby? It's a baby? You want baby? Yay!
Hi, Dong. Kita mo na yung baby sister mo? Ha, Kidong? Ako na din mo. Ikaw wala kang alam sa mundo, ha?
Hey, guys.
Baby happy.
Bubblegum. Ika, bubblegum. Put your hand. Baby? The baby? May baby ka? There's the baby. Where's the baby? There's the baby.
Siya lang daw.
Baby.
Uy!
Ah! Baby! Where's the baby? Ay!
Kunin.
Mama, spoiled na spoiled ka sa daddy mo, ah. Love mo daddy lang.
Baby. Ay!
Where's the baby?
Sige, kita.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby?
Remote yan nakita mo.
Ay, nako. Wala pa talaga naiintindihan si Dodong, guys. Pero ayun. I guess dito na rin magtatapos tong video na to kasi kailangan namin magpahinga. Especially ako. And super happy ako kasi naging grateful si Happy nung nakita niya yung baby. And nakita niyo naman yung reaction niya na kahit niloloko ko siya na baby brother yung lumabas is still tinanggap niya na lang. Tinanggap niya na lang at wala na siyang choice. Pero ayan. Ayan niya. Sa mga nagkasabi ng middle child syndrome, eme-eme, dyan din nyo alam si Dodong ang pinaka-favorite ng daddy. Si Dodong ang favorite ng daddy. Si Dodong ngayon ang favorite ni daddy. At mas mahal ni Dodong si daddy niya kaysa sa akin. Saan na? Play na rin daddy. And ayun na nga guys. Thank you so much for watching. And see you on our next video. Pero I'll try my best na talagang makapag-update sa inyo. Ayan. Finally, we're home. Brum, brum, brum. Ano daw? At ayun. Wala lang masabi. Scrambled yung utak ko ngayon dahil nga bagong panganak. And itatry namin yung best namin guys sa mga pag-update. So, ayun. Thank you guys again for watching and see you on our next video! Sleep that baby. Baby? Hi, baby? Baby? Ay! Oh, no! No, hindi ka pwedeng malapit. Hindi ka pwedeng malapit dito. Daddy, mambabardagol tong batang to. Hindi siya pwede. See you guys. Bye-bye.